European Pharmacopoeia, it is commonly referred as PHUR and also as EP. European Pharmacopoeia is a regional pharmacopoeia for the Europe region, and if any organization, company wants to sell or market their formulation in the European region, that time the standards, quality requirements are to be meet as per the European Pharmacopoeia requirement. EP or PHUR requirements for the quality are the legal standards for the medicines in the Europe, and as per the pharmacopoeia requirement, the requirement is to ensure the quality, safety and efficacy. Pharmacopoeia, like other pharmacopoeia, the European Pharmacopoeia is a reference book for the standards of medicines. PHUR is published by the EDQM. EDQM means European Directorate for the Quality of Medicines and Healthcare, Council of Europe. It is commonly called as EDQM. The European Pharmacopoeia was published in 1964 and official legal standard across 39 member states and the EU. Consider these member states as the countries. The number may vary sometime. It provides uniform standard for the medicines and the substances, and it is a basis for quality control in European and global markets. Many of the times, the countries who are coming in the ROW, rest of the world type of market, they follow the EP. Purpose of EP is to establish common quality standards across the Europe. It supports free movement of medicines in the Europe market. It ensures identity, purity, potency and safety of the drugs, and thereby it promotes the international harmonization of standards. So like other pharmacopoeias, the European Pharmacopoeia aim is the similar. Scope of PHUR. So it contains the APIs, drug substances, finished dosage forms, excipients, herbal and homeopathic products, biologicals, vaccines, blood-derived products, and veterinary medicines. So all these are covered in the scope of PHUR. Structure of PHUR. So general notices are there like USP. These general notices are the rules of interpretation. Monographs are there, which are the detailed standards for drug substances, excipients or the drug products. Then general chapters are there for the test methods like dissolution, spectroscopy, chromatography. Reference standards are there, which are the official materials for analysis. I have made separate video on general notices, monographs and general chapters for the USP, so some information you can get from those videos. Now coming to the monographs in the PHUR. So official specifications are there, including the definition of the substance or product, identification test, assay and purity criteria, related substances and impurities, storage conditions and the labeling requirements. And these are the legal requirements for the Europe region. Now comparing the PHUR with other pharmacopoeias like BP, USP, IP. This is for your easy understanding. So for PHUR, the governing body is EDQM. For BP, it is MHRA. For USP, it is USP Convention. And for IP, it is IPC. Origin for PHUR is for Europe, BP for UK, USP for USA, and IP for the India. PHUR recognition is very high. It is a global pharmacopoeia. BP, it is very high. USP, it is very high. And for IP, it is growing. Generally, the English is the language for the pharmacopoeias. Digital PHUR is also available, and you can directly go through those digital platforms to have the understanding and have the quality requirements. So sometimes we need to have the pharmacopoeia handy, so that whenever you are required, you can go through the pharmacopoeia and check the requirements. You can cross-reference the pharmacopoeial methods. You can use the pharmacopoeial methods for your daily work. Importance of the PHUR. So it ensures the uniform medicine quality across the Europe, and the harmonization is there with the PHUR. It harmonizes standards with the ICH, WHO, BP, JP, and USP. It supports regulatory findings and the GMP compliance. So another important factor is it prevents substandard or falsified medicines, and that's why it acts as a global reference for QC labs and the manufacturers. European Pharmacopoeia (PHUR) EP is a legal binding and a harmonized standard. It is crucial for regulatory compliance, product quality, and the patient safety. So EP is equally important for the professionals, the people who are working in the pharma industry, the regulators, the quality control people, the quality inspectors, and the people who are related to the pharmaceutical products. It contributes to the availability of the safe and effective and high quality medicines worldwide. Then it supports both human and the veterinary health. This is the information about European Pharmacopoeia. Thank you for watching the video.